Hey you guys, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Catalina, aka Style of Catalina on here, and today I am doing a back to school first impressions look. Okay, we about to get popping. We gotta look good for the first day, you feel me? Like, you know, this is how I would do my makeup if I was back in 2009. But yeah, this is not only for me, but this is also for everybody that needs some guidance on how they're going to be doing their makeup for the first day of school. And yeah, if you haven't, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You already know the deal. For the people that already subscribed, we're gonna wait for them to subscribe to this channel, okay? The time is ticking. Have you subscribed? Did you click the button yet? Did you do it? Yes or no? Because have you done it yet? That was my phone. Today is a Saturday. I start school on a Tuesday, which is super exciting, you guys. Like, your girl hasn't been in school since like 2015 in college, and I'm super excited, nervous, anxious. I'm just so ready for what God has planned for me, and I'm also excited for what God has planned for you and your life. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, I already started off doing my eyebrows. I used the Ruby Kisses eyebrow pencil, and yeah, that's my phone if y'all hear that. But I used the Ruby Kisses eyebrow pencil, and as y'all can see, I only have a little bit. I'm running out on a lot of things. As always, I also use this Estee Lauder eyebrow gel. And to just clean up my eyebrows, I use the Maybelline foundation. I used it under my brow, and I also use the Cover FX foundation for the top of my brow. I don't have any money to buy concealers right now, so you just have to work with what you have. So right now I'm just gonna take clips and just taking it out of my face. All right. We poppin'. I'm cute right now. Psych. Okay, so as a back to school look, I wanted to do something that I know that I would do if I was in the 9th grade, and I know for a fact that I want it to be really chill, really simple, nothing too crazy, you feel me? So I mean, obviously every day I'm not gonna be putting on makeup, duh. But that's me personally. For the first day, you know, you want to look snatched. You want to let people know who you are. So the first thing I'm going to use is the Ruby Kisses Blemish Sweep Primer. I'm just going to take that and put it all over my face. I'm just actually going to put it on my forehead a little bit and on my cheeks. Now, I believe school is like, what, 9 hours? I don't know. I forgot, 8 hours of school. This can be for anybody, you know. I don't know about you, but I'm an oily girl. So we want our looks to last throughout the whole day, you know, class period. What I'm going to be doing is just taking this, what is it called again? The Coty Airspun, and taking the powder and pressing that into the skin. Okay, so that's what we're doing right now, pressing that into the skin because we want this to last. If you have oily skin on your forehead, you can put on your forehead. My main focus is just right here. So the foundations that I'm going to be using is the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. This is in the shade G80. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Queen collection, and this is in the shade Q720. Stop playing with me. Oh, bruh, I dropped some on my jacket. It's okay. Okay, we're not gonna play with this, okay? This is what you gotta do sometimes when you're running out of stuff, okay? This is my life. So I'm going to be taking my foundation brush. I'm using the Real Techniques buffing brush. Be sure to blend out down here because you don't want anybody clowning you at school, okay? For my under eyes, I'm going to use the Cover FX foundation. Placing that right here. If you have a concealer, you can use concealer, but I don't have any right now. So you gotta do what you gotta do, sis, okay? So to blend out the foundation under here, I'm going to use this sponge that I received from Influencer. This is from Thrive, and I really love it a lot. It's like really soft. So I'm just gonna take this side of it, and I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm just using the bottom part to the sponge because I want it to look a little bit more natural and I don't want it to look like caked up. So just blending all of this out and the edges too. Make sure you get your eyes. I'm just gonna take the Coty Airspun. Using the same side I blended out the concealer. I'm going to just set under my eye. I'm not baking. If you like baking, you can bake, but me, I'm not baking at all. Now, this is like a true ride or die product that I've been using for years now. And this will be a great back to school affordable look. So I'm just taking that and I'm just like in circular motions, just applying that on my cheekbones. Now I'm kind of using this as a transition before the deeper shade. So you can leave it like this if you want, if you're like the same shade as me. Now I'm just gonna take the deeper shade, just a tad bit. We don't look too harsh. And I'm just moving upwards with the brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a light clean under here. Now I'm going to be taking this Ruby Kisses Never Touch Up Matte spray. This is mascara that I got from cosmetology school. So I decided to put on lashes, and the lashes that I'm going to be using today, this is the Weekend Lash. So I'm using this because it's not too like, it's like a natural flirty lash, you know, for the first day of school, because you want to look cute, a little bit innocent, you know. I would not put lashes on after the first day of school. Like, that's it. I'm not doing this every single day. All right, so this is only for the purpose of the first day of school. If you would like to do this every day as a look, then you can, but me, I ain't got time for that. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my lashes and then I'm gonna come right back. So I'm back with the lashes. As you guys can see, it is not too much. As a highlight, I haven't been really doing the extra highlighted look. All I do is just highlight my nose. I've just been going for the matte look lately. So I'm gonna just try this combo. As y'all can see, this Jordana, like, I'm twisting it. Let me focus it. Yeah, I'm twisting it and there is nothing coming up. So we're just gonna have to do what it is. I'm literally just working with everything that I have. Thing at all, like nothing coming up. I feel like, where's my needle? I want to take my needle. We about to be extra and a little ratchet. But I'm trying to take this product out. Okay. So I'm just gonna place it on my lips because I need it. This is between you and me, alright? So I'm gonna take this Rimmel lipstick in Salute. Just placing that in the middle. Oh, this is cute. Okay, Kat, this is cute. And I just picked this up. I stored it somewhere in my closet and I picked it up and I was just like, you know what, let me use this today. I got this from my old job. They gave this to us. This is cute, right, y'all? Let's do a little something, you know. I'm going to be using the Ruby Kisses setting spray, spraying my face. I'm running out of that too. I'm running out of everything. I think I'm gonna do a vlog of my first day going back to college after 3 years. So yeah, y'all, your girl is back in them books. I can't do it myself. All right, so this is basically it for all of the people that are starting school, starting high school, starting college, middle school. Whoever's watching this, y'all, put God first. Put God first in your studies. Put God first when you're going to school, when you wake up, when you leave school, you know, dealing with friends, just everything. Put God first in everything. And that's what I've been doing. And without God, I would not be able to go back to school. So that's my advice to you. And you will succeed throughout this entire semester until you graduate. So blessings to everybody that's starting school, and thank you so much for watching this whole video. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the like button if you're feeling this look, and also click the notification bell so you can get notified on when I upload again. But until next time, if God willing, I will see you later, and make sure you guys love others because God loved you first.